animals, children, elderly. What do you do with it? Do you keep quiet? No. We will speak against it, not based on tribe, but based on a nationality as a Somalian. If laascaanood will attack Hargeysa, we will support Hargeysa. But today, laascaanood is under attack. Constantly, there have been many fake peace ceasefires that never materialized. We are calling the Secretary, the State Department, especially Secretary Blinken, to make sure to intervene, the United Nations, the IGAD, and all international organizations to give attention to this matter. As we speak right now, people are dying. Children are dying. Moscow has been destroyed. Hospitals have been bombarded. Please pay attention to this. I'm also talking to the Somali community. Wherever you at, please do not separate us. Somalia is one. We are one people. We will not be separated based on tribe. We have a one.